Hey, my fellow geothermal students, I want to make sure that you've got your copy of the textbook. That's a good one. Not too expensive, you know. And the whole idea is that we're going to have some reading here, and then you have something that you can look into to carry over as you install your own geothermal systems. Yeah, man. Let's take a look at it. So you see here it's available in your syllabus. Following 3 textbooks not required, but the required textbook, The Smart Guide to Geothermal, How to Harvest Your Free Energy for Heating and Cooling. Edition first, copyright May 15th, 2011. Author Lloyd Donald Blaze, immediate paperback. Hey, is this the men's bathroom? I feel different somehow. Anyway, I wanted to make sure that you guys had the ISBN number for your Smart Guide to Geothermal, your text for Introductory Geothermal Systems, 291.51. So check it out. Here it is. Yeah, sweet guys, here we go. Smart Guide to Geothermal by Donald Blaze Lloyd. How to Harvest Earth's Free Energy and Heating. For heating and cooling, I mean, that is. Yeah. Let's check out the ISBN number in here. Oh yeah, there we go. Should be able to find this online right now. Sweet. There it is. It's a great book, man. We're going to be looking at these brief overview of geothermal systems. And it might be easier for you to actually get this scanned on your own or get a copy of it to read. Anyway, there you have it. So we can take a look now down into your course central column, so that you know that in the lecture, if you want more information on any of these topics, you can go ahead and just check out the entire video here. It's right there for you. Now this is not the student view, so don't worry about the shaded areas. What's important right now is we want to take a look at building a home with geothermal.
In thinking about the house, we tried to figure out what was a long-term, sort of most efficient way of building it.
When we lived in Germany for 2 years, we had 2 people over there who had done geothermal systems. One was a colleague I was working with, and he was building his own house. When you're starting a brand new home where you have to buy a heating system anyway, with the rebates, it turns out to be very cost effective.
So we worked with Ed Malloy's company, which is New England Renewable Energy.
My name is Ed Malloy, and I'm president of New England Renewable Energy Systems. We're located in Weymouth and Hyannis. What is geothermal? We call it a ground-sourced heat pump. In other words, we're extracting energy from groundwater or water that we're circulating through the ground, which in turn picks up heat or temperature energy from the ground and then brings it back to the unit, the heat pump inside the home, and then extracts temperature or energy out of that water and then transfers that energy into the home. The water is coming into this heat pump. The pump is literally extracting heat, energy out of the water. That's connected to the air handler, which is in the attic, which then feeds the ductwork that feeds the outlets to the rooms that you're attempting to heat or cool. The ductwork is the same as any central air system, whether it be ductwork or water-to-water radiant heat or baseboard. The geothermal can provide energy to those outlets, if you will, for energy. It's very efficient and requires much less electricity over a much broader range of temperature outside.
We were trying to compare a regular heating and HVAC system to the geothermal. We realized that within 1 year, the cost breaks even. So basically, once you get your rebate back, you have broken even. When we had set up our budget with our builder, in his budget he had $65,000 for ductwork and HVAC. When I met with Ed, we learned that the whole system in total was about $89,000. And then we will get rebates of about $25,000 back. When we did that comparison, it became very clear to us that at the end of the day, our costs pretty much net out the same. And we're going to benefit every single year when our energy costs are significantly lower.
And the truth of the matter is that you have to have ductwork for whatever type of heating. I would suggest, if you have the option, to go to radiant floor and or radiant heating, and we'll look at some of those installations. But this is going to be the main thrust of our course, is residential applications. But we need to know about the big picture too. You know, where does geothermal energy come from? The core of the earth, right?